Hey, what's going on, Complete Athletes? In today's workout, we're asking for an AMRAP 18 minutes. AMRAP stands for as many rounds or reps as possible in 18 minutes. So with the running clock, you're gonna try to do as many rounds as you can of the following movements. The first movement is gonna be 12 goblet lunges or plate hold lunges. The next movement is gonna be 12 Russian twist. And then the last movement is gonna be 4 strict pull-ups, or any modification that we can find if you do not have a pull-up bar, okay? Now, just to show you what the movements are, the first one is gonna be the lunges. Depending on what kind of equipment that you have at home or at the gym, you can either use a plate, a dumbbell, or a kettlebell, the backpack, or really that's just about it from there, okay? So when it comes to the lunges, just holding the plate against your chest, and then you'll perform a lunge, tap that back knee onto the ground, and then switch legs. So you'll do 12 total, which means 6 on each side. If you have a dumbbell, it'll be the exact same holding method. Just place that dumbbell in a horizontal plank there, perform your lunges. Same thing, keeping that chest high. And then, if all you have is a backpack, that's okay. Just go ahead and carry that backpack, hug it, whatever you can, and from there perform your lunges. Remember, with these backpacks, you want to weigh it at about 30 to 50 pounds. Whatever you can stuff in there, that way it can be weighed down, okay? So that is the first movement. The second movement is going to be your Russian twist. How this works is sitting on your butt, and we want to keep our heels out of the ground or off the ground, and as well keep our body in a V shape. So holding onto your weight, V shape, tap 1, 2, 3, etc. If all you have is that dumbbell, grab onto that dumbbell, touch each side, same thing with the backpack, okay? So those are your Russian twists. And then last but not least, we have our strict pull-ups. So if you have a pull-up bar at home, great. What we want to maintain our body is as strict as possible or as tight as possible. As well, a lot of times we want to, it's a common fault to keep our heels back from this position, but we actually want our feet to be forward and keeping our abs nice and engaged. So as we jump on up, notice that my feet are slightly forward. I'm going to pull up and then back down. And we'll perform 4 of those. Now, if you do not have a pull-up bar or you cannot do pull-ups just yet, don't worry about it. We can always use a resistant band and do some curls with them, okay? Because we're trying to work with that bicep and our shoulders. So stepping onto the resistant band, what we're doing here is pulling up as much as we can and then back down, okay? So those are your modifications. If you do not have a resistant band, you can always try to grab like a towel or really anything that you can hook it onto. And it's gonna be a method to how my rings are here. And you can always do rows, okay? So just grab it onto your towel or really anything that you can attach in this position. And you would just pull to the chest and then back down, keeping your body nice and tight, okay? So those are your movements. I really hope you guys have fun with this workout. Remember, you're doing it as many rounds as you can for 18 minutes. So grab a stopwatch, time yourself for 18 minutes, and let's see how many rounds you can get, all right? So have fun with this, guys, and I'll see you soon.